Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Apojee's got it covered. Back with a new cover for you guys. So this is Nat King Cole's Nature Boy, Bobby McFerrin style, with a little bit extra sprinkled in there. So I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, see you next week. All right, so check this out. Boom, ba-doom, 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 boom, ba-ba-doom, boom, ba-doom, 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 ba-da-doom, da-da-doom, da-da-doom. There was a boy, boom, ba-doom, boom, a very strange enchanted boy, ba-doom, boom, ba-da-doom. And there he traveled very far, very far, very far, over land and sea. Ba-doom, boom, ba-doom, boom, ba-doom, boom. A little shy and satisfied, but very wise, oh very wise was he. Boom, 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 and then one day, boom, 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 a magic day passed my way, boom, 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 boom. And though we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me, ba-dum boom, ba-dum boom, ba-dum boom. The greatest thing, yeah, you ever learn, ba-dum-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-boom, is just to love and be loved. In return, in return, I was rolling around in my mind, it occurred, what if God was a herd? Would I treat her the same? Would I still be running game on her? And what type of ways would I want her? Would I want her for a mind or a heavenly body? Wouldn't be out here bogus with someone so godly if I was with her. Would I still be wanting my ex? The lies, the greed, the weed, the sex. Wouldn't be ashamed to give a part of my check. Wearing a cross, I mean her heart on my neck. Her, I will reflect on the streets of the shot. Ride with her, cause I know for me she died through good and bad. Call on her like I'm chirping her. Wouldn't be jealous when other brothers worship her. Walk this earth for her glory. I'm grateful to be in her presence. I gotta stay faithful. Doom, 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 boom. I gotta stay faithful. Doom, 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 boom. Cause the greatest thing you ever learn, just to love and be loved. I gotta stay faithful. Doom, 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 boom. I gotta stay faithful. Doom, 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 boom. And then one day, boom, boom, one magic day he passed my way. Though we spoke of many things, fools and kings, oh, this he said to me. Ba-dum boom, ba-dum boom, ba-dum boom. Greatest thing that you'll ever learn, da-da-da-da-da-da-dum, it's just to love and be loved in return. Thank you. Hope y'all have a great day. Peace.